want to quickly show you where to find the review material for the midterm exam that's coming up. So first click on modules and scroll down to midterm exam preparation. So now click on the first page and that gives you the midterm review. You'll see the review that there are problems from different sections of the book. And if you go scroll down, you'll find the answer key as well, but I suggest that you look at the answer key only after you've attempted the problem. And there's also the midterm handout. That's the only material that you'll be allowed to use on your exam. And there's also a financial math overview. If you're confused at all about financial math problems, then please watch this. It gives you an idea of how to solve any type of problem using the formulas in your midterm handout. So this is how I want you to prepare for the exam. So what you notice here is a bunch of problems, and you'll see problems similar to that on your midterm exam and also on your final exam. So for example, I want you to take a look at the first problem. Now, if you can do the problem, that's great. If not, what I want you to do is go back to the midterm review module, and I would like you to click on the, let's say, the first video. Here I've given you an example of a problem very similar to question 1 on the midterm review. So I suggest you watch this first and then do the problem, which is question 1 on the midterm review, and check your answer in the midterm review solutions. Now you'll notice that for every problem in the midterm review, there's an example here. So the second one is problem 2. It says, watch the following video and do problem 2 in the midterm review. So if you do the midterm review and watch each of these videos, if you need help, I would suggest watch the videos first before you do the problem. Each video is 5 minutes or less. And this is the way I'd like you to prepare for the exam. You'll see the problems in the midterm exam will be very similar to the ones in the review. However, you have to understand how to do these problems because the context may be slightly different. The word problem may be slightly different, but the method that you use will be very similar to the ones in these midterm review problems.